Hi guys, so samahan niyo akong mag-plancha ng aking uniform for the week. So currently, ang uniform ko is parang tatlong top, dalawang skirt, isang isang slacks. Pero kakasukat lang sa amin ng uniform. Hopefully mabutan ko siya. So, ang mangyayari dun is apat na top, dalawang skirt, dalawang slack, tas merong isang blazer. So, currently may isa rin akong blazer. So, ang kulang-kulang talaga is yung isa pang slacks. So, yun. Wala akong magawa. So, habang nagpa-plancha magpatugtog tayo. Kiber na kung makapiright na kung makapiright, okay lang. Wala kasi akong kasama ngayon dito sa bahay dahil si Papa ay umalis. Si Mama ay lumabas. And as you all know, si Ate ay, nag-asawa na. So, currently ako lang mag-isa dito sa bahay. Pero, alam ko naman pauwi na yata si Mama at si Papa. Pero yun, hinaan lang muna natin siya. So, ito yung aking mga uniform. After 8 years of working, first time ko magkaroon ng uniform. Medyo weird siya nung una kasi sanay ako na kahit ano lang. Ay, hindi tayo aakyat. Oh, you say hello na lang. Hi, this is my Blight. Sabi. So, yan. And, patugtog tayo. Nakaraan ay ako talaga makapiright pero dahil gusto kong ang boring naman kapag ako daldal. Baka makalimutan ko na nagpa-plancha ako. So, patugtog na lang tayo. Favorite ko talaga tong kantang to. Itong kantang to, nalaman ko doon sa first boyfriend ko. So, yun. Nahahatching ako. Excuse me. Yung advice sa akin ng friend ko dati, pagka nahahatching ka, tapos parang bitin or hindi ka makahatching, tingin ka sa ilaw or liwanag. Ganun ang ginagawa ko pag feeling ko bitin. Okay, start na tayo. Feels like a lifetime, 1,000 days have passed by since I had you close to me. Ay, nawala. May napindot ako. If I can see that smile from my friend, I know that I can live again. I need you here with me. Heaven knows what to say, even though for right now you're so far away. I hope and I pray somewhere in your heart I'll always take away. Please, the sun doesn't shine without you. Never noticed what it feels like to be without you. Feels like I took my last step and my last breath and my life's ending. Had to say just what I was feeling, girl. 'Cause my sun doesn't shine without you. This is more for me than for you. Girl, I finally see there's no substitute for what we have. Do you know how much I love you? And that we shared, I can't forget. Girl, a love like yours I'll never let. Just promise that you stay. Heaven knows what to say, even though for right now you're so far away. Tell you and show you, do whatever I can to you. My sun doesn't shine without you. Never notice what it feels like to be without you. Feels like I took my last step and my last breath and my life's ending. Had to say just what I was feeling, girl. 'Cause my sun doesn't shine, sun doesn't shine. Have you ever seen a flower that never bloom? See the starless night without the moon. Well, that's me without you. Still come back and turn my nights into days. My sun doesn't shine without you. Never notice what it feels like to be without you. Feels like I took my last step and my last breath and my life's ending. Had to say just what I was feeling, girl. 'Cause my sun doesn't shine, sun doesn't shine without you. Mga nakaraan, hindi ako makapag-pants dahil maulan. So, lagi ako nakapalda. Hopefully ngayon darating ng mga linggo, hindi na umulan, no? Kakapagod din, pumasok ng maulan. Ang hassle. Super hassle. Hassle yarn. So, second na tayo na damit. So, sa mga mahihilig naman dyan sa country music, I think the next two songs is country. Just a Monday, thrift shop couch, cereals, knockout, to an episode, Crazy Housewives, and before long, I see your face on the screen. The ringtone can only mean your friends are gone, you're all alone, and you're thinking about me. I used to be a 6 a.m. Hey, good morning, beautiful, how you been? I used to be a waitress, a landed miss, you can't stand it. See you this weekend. Now I'm just a midnight number, familiar voice when you start to wonder if you made the wrong choice. So let it ring all night long, 'cause I ain't your lonely call. Sa mga marurupok dyan, para sa inyo to, huwag maging marupok dyan, B. And 2 days and filters, but who's counting? 10,000 sounds like a year, and I found it. But boy, you said, let's take a break in the front seat of your Jeep. More to say, leave a message at the beep. I used to be a 6 a.m. Hey, good morning, beautiful, how you been? I used to be a waitress, a landed miss, you can't stand it. See you this weekend. Now I'm just a midnight number, familiar voice when you start to wonder if you made the wrong choice. So let it ring all night long, 'cause I ain't your lonely call. I ain't your lonely call. Let it it ring, let it ring, let it ring, girl, let it ring, let it ring, let it ring, girl, let it ring, let it ring, let it ring, girl, let it ring, let it ring, let it ring, girl, let it ring, let it ring, let it ring, girl, let it ring. 6 a.m. Hey, good morning, beautiful, how you been? I used to be a waitress, landed, miss you, can't stand it. See you this weekend. Now I'm just a midnight all but familiar voice when you start to wonder if you made the wrong choice. Let it rain all night long. 'Cause I ain't your lonely kind. I ain't your lonely kind, yeah, yeah. In fairness kasi, hindi naman super gusutin tong damit. Well, parang halata naman siyang gusot, pero yung hindi naman yung talagang kala mo talaga hahabulin ka ng plancha. Hindi naman siya ganun. Ganun? Anong kanta to? Ito namang country song na to, parang kaka-discover ko lang sa kanya. Pero matagal na to eh. 2 years ago na. Diba? Gusto mo yung kaka-discover ko lang sa kanya. Magaganda kasi yung kanta ng mga country singers. Before, hindi ko siya na appreciate kasi parang luma pakinggan. Pero hindi pala siya girl. Ganda siya girl. The wrong time, I was moving on. Out of the blue, if I do, it's just about over you. I was just about over you. May tawag ito. Basta parang may maiambag ako. Hirap na hirap. May contribute lang doon sa kanta. Kasi hindi ko kabisado. Yeah, literal na kiber na kung ma-copyright to. Ang title pala nito ay Just About Over You ni Priscilla Block. Wrong place at the wrong time. You must have heard I was moving on. I don't know what it was to, all about you. And I was just about over you. And I was just about over you. Wrong place at the wrong time. You must have heard I was moving on. Out of the blue, a part of us too, all about you. And I'm just about over you. Duro, wag ka umakit, mainit ha. Over you. Sabi pa nagbabalak siya. Anak, wag ka umakit ha. Lagi silang may tinitingnan to sa ilalim. Ay anak, no. Mainit, mainit. It's a no-no for me. Magulat ka bigla yung FOMO na everything. Okay. Isang palda na lang and we are dan. Okay, skip ads. Sorry po. Ito kay Lucomb. May S ba yung apelido niya? Lucombs pala. Ay anak, no ha? No. Ruro? Huwag ka umakyat. Diyos ko. Ang title naman nito ay Hurricane. Hurricane? Hurricane. Hurricane? Huwag naman masama ang tingin. Sama ang tingin sa akin ng pusa ko. Kala mo talaga pinagbabawalan ng kung ano eh. Baba ka nga. Nahirapan ako kasi kumahangin eh. Ay, anak, no! We go on in. O, dyan ka. Upo ka dyan. Ay, no, no, no. Hindi ka magsusunog. Diyos ko. And hit me like a hurricane. Bigla na bigla yung palda ko, be. Diyos ko, mantik na. Kaya pala, di ba alam mo yung pag masusunog, yung parang matigas na siya. Hindi siya yung smooth na, ano. Ay, bakit bumagal di? Yung pagka ganun mo, parang matigas. Yung parang very light. So, buto lang attentive pa din kahit kumakanta tayo. Yung laptop ko ay nagsisira na naman, nagbo-blue screen siya bigla. Ko ba dyan? Kung kailan ginamit ko tuloy-tuloy. Ang pansin ko sa kanya, ayaw niya nagmo-multiple tabs ako. Kunwari, may ginagawa ako yung part-time ko. Tapos nanonood ako ng YouTube. Ayaw niya. Gusto niya isa lang. O, di isa lang. We go on and grabe, mga balahibo pa din yun. Oh, world, when you came and hit me like a hurricane and hit me like a hurricane. Okay, tapos na. Okay, tanggalin na natin siya sa saksakan at lipat natin siya sa menu. Mahirap na. Diba? Kasi everyday, si mama yung nagpa-plancha. So, para maiba naman. Huwag kang tamad, be. Ikaw on it. Talagang lagay ko siya talaga dyan sa may ano niyo. My whole world and when you came and hit me like a hurricane and hit me like a hurricane. Ay, pakita ko sa inyo mga babies ko. Okay, that's baby number 1. That's Blight. Baby number 2, introducing Papa's ano. Ang aking bebe Ruru. And the third baby, Kuya Scar. And si Witty ay nasa baba. Grabe, haggard yarn. Oh no. Sinasanay ko yung buho ko na naka-clamps. May binili akong clamps na cutie. Ano siya? Tawag niya to? Teddy bear. Nabili namin sa Divisoria. So, yun. Kasi dati, tali talaga pag basa yung buho ko every morning papasok ng office. Kasi parang nasisira ang hirarat ni Akle. So, nag-clamps tayo. Pag basa lang naman, kasi pagdating ko ng office, nagsusuklay ako at naglulugay. So, ayun lang. So, ito yung patugtog ko. Kay, ano na siya, kay Zach Tabudlo na nakanta siya, kay Al James. Anyway, thank you guys sa pagsama sa akin. So, yeah. I'm just gonna end the vlog here. I'm going to vlog. I don't know. Tala natin kung ano yung mga maiisip kong vlog in the next few days. Pero yun. Bye guys. Thank you. Tingin na lang ba sa'yo? Ganda mo. Sana ka. Hindi ko masabi, gusto aminin, hirap sabihin na gusto kita makasama hanggang sa pagpanangaraw pag tayo na lang dalawa. Hindi na masabi pag may iba, gusto lang naman namin sa'yo, nararamdaman ang aking puso, wala nang iba. Huwag nang pahirapan pa, andito lang. Totoo na nga ba to?